Alright, the best kit I ever. Use a primer black or black chrome. Just primer black and Shapire blue. Just two step: primer black, gloss, and then burn iron from JUMPWIND. What up guys, welcome back to my channel. This one is HG Barbatos Lupus. How to make a high resolution model for this HG kits. Already made, finished. Okay. This one is, I want to tell you, this is the inner frame, and then this is the weapon. I think this kit is the best HG because this series is have inner frame. As you can see here, this is all of the kit that has been finished for coloring. For this is a bloody red. This use a primer black or black chrome. This one is just primer black and Shapire blue. This one is just primer gray and using a champagne gold from JUMPWIND color. And this inner frame just two step: primer black, gloss, and then burn iron from JUMPWIND. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first one. This is the right part, I guess. is my brother kit. I make that like high resolution model. Details on the stickers, as you can see. This, yeah. Next step is the body. Nice. It's good. Alright, let's go to hands. This is good. Look at the head. Look at the fucking head. This is the Mikazuki.
Fuck it. That's me, dude.
Okay, let's go. We start to assemble from the leg, from the fucking leg. Okay. This is right. Snapdragon.
Ulala.
This is the best series, Gundam series from Iron Blooded
Bro,
Orphans.
this is Hage, bro.
This is
Not
just Hage. Let's wait the MG version of Gundam Barbatos Lupus Rexu. Rex fucking shoot. Come on. Wow. This just like is awesome. And then let's restart.
Tuh
The
pasang-pasang.
Yes, the arms. Fucking arms. I love this, guys, because this takes maybe 12 hours.
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Ah.
I don't know why I cannot be with you. This one is gone. I don't know. It's lost. And the spare part is gone too. Okay, the next step is the waist. Go. Guys, please help me. Please help me, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Got this. The soldier. The fucking soldier. You can see this. Let's assemble this. Yeah. You know what I mean. This is so satisfying.
It's not hard to figure it out. There is no doubt you find a way. Leave the moment each and every day. Don't know why I cannot see the beauty in front of me.
This one is for detailing. This is made by love. You see this? Appreciate the engineer making this kit. Awesome. So detail it. Now let's assemble this. It's done. Oh my god, this kit is so cool.
We keep searching for something more, but we're never sure of what we want. Life and
weapon.
Each and every day. Don't know why I cannot see.
This is good. This is good. Don't forget to like if you like, and don't if you don't need to be subscribed. But if you subscribe, then you give us support, and I will be richer to buy more gun kits. Subscribe to my channel. This one is from Netflix series. You can watch them. This is a best Gundam anime franchise movie. On the Netflix season 2 is Barbatos Lupus. Okay, thank you.